Hi, PerspectaWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, August 14th. Unsettled weather pattern continues here in the Mid-Atlantic region. We have a frontal system that is stalling out. This is a familiar pattern to what we've experienced over the past several weeks in this wet, ongoing weather pattern for the much of the eastern part of the nation. Scattered showers and thunderstorms already this morning, and some of that rain is actually locally heavy in the southeastern part of Pennsylvania, and there can be a shower or a thunderstorm anytime this afternoon, tonight, tomorrow, and Friday as well, and really right into the upcoming weekend. Cannot rule out the chance of a shower or a thunderstorm in the Mid-Atlantic region on Saturday. By Sunday and Monday, it looks like we'll turn noticeably warmer, high temperatures at or above the 90-degree mark, likely for Sunday and Monday and probably Tuesday as well. But for the next few days, will remain at cooler than normal levels for this time of the year. Highs generally in the lower 80s in the D.C. to Philadelphia to New York City corridor over the next couple of days, again aided by lots of cloud cover and scattered rainfall over the next couple of days. Well, here's the latest surface map, and again it's kind of a pattern we've seen quite often over the past several weeks. Frontal system just stalling out as it tries to inch its way to the south and east. It's trying to move in this direction, but we'll see in a moment. The upper air winds are generally parallel to this kind of an orientation of the surface front, and that will not allow it to push far off to the south and east. And with all this humidity in the atmosphere, the high soil moisture content, we have a continuing chance of showers and thunderstorms over the next few days. Certainly not any day looks like a total washout, but there really can be a shower or thunderstorm at just about any time right through the remainder of the week. Well, here's the current radar loop from Telecast.com. Not a heck of a lot going on in the Mid-Atlantic region, but where there is some activity, there is indeed some heavy rainfall, specifically Montgomery County, Pennsylvania right now. We had a good thunderstorm push through the King of Prussia area a short time ago. It's now moving into central and then lower part of Montgomery County and then into Bucks County. Again, some scattered showers, some of the rainfall heavy associated with this particular batch right there. Not much going on right now in the D.C. metro region, but even there can be some scattered showers and thunderstorms, especially during the afternoon and evening hours. Lots of clouds around too, and that will help to keep temperatures at slightly below normal levels for the middle part of August. Again, lower 80s for the most part along the I-95 corridor from D.C. to Philly to New York City. We should be in the mid and upper 80s for this time of year. Well, let's take a look at the height anomaly forecast maps at 500 millibars from last night's 6E GFS model run. First of all, lower heights compared to normal across the northeast U.S., the Great Lakes region, and again, that's helping to lead to a little bit cooler than normal conditions for this time of the year, middle part of August. Notice lots of reds and orange across the southern U.S. Certainly a heat wave down across those that part of the country from the southwest U.S. all the way into the deep south. But up across the northeast and the Great Lakes region, again, cooler than normal conditions. Let's now push forward here, and it looks like this lower than normal height pattern will remain over the next couple of days. And again, some embedded short waves will add to some upward motion at the lower levels of the atmosphere, leading to the continuing threat for showers and thunderstorms right through the remainder of the week. And here we go into the end of the work week. And notice what's going on here. The upper level low is tending to pull back a little bit, retrograde a little bit to the western part of the Great Lakes. And watch this ridge start to pop up along the eastern seaboard. And here we go now into Saturday. Notice the ridging starting to kind of back in from the east to the west right along the eastern seaboard this weekend, and that will result in hotter temperatures by the time Sunday afternoon rolls around. We should be pushing 90 degrees up and down the I-95 corridor. This is the forecast map of 500 millibar height anomalies for Sunday morning. Ridge now showing up here, displayed on this particular map in the orange and reds here over the Mid-Atlantic region, the northeast U.S. Again, 90, maybe the low to mid-90s in D.C. by Sunday afternoon. Looks like that warmer than normal condition will continue on Monday and likely on Tuesday as well. Well, let's now take a look at the surface maps, and in the eastern U.S., just an unsettled weather pattern for the next several days. We have a chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon and evening hours. Again, not a total washout on any of the next few days, but it can shower at just about any time. Some green showing up early this morning, and let's just move forward here. Notice low pressure depicted here by the GFS model run right over the southeastern part of Pennsylvania. That usually is associated with enhanced upward motion, so a pretty decent shot of some showers and thunderstorms as we roll through the next several hours here in the I-95 corridor region. And again, kind of an expansion during the late afternoon, early evening, kind of the typical time for showers and thunderstorms in the summertime, mid to late afternoon into the early part of the evening. Then it kind of dies down again in the overnight hours. But notice here again, by Thursday afternoon, once again, picking up, expanding in activity, even with some low pressure nearby. So again, a continuation of the threat for showers and thunderstorms, not only on Thursday, but watch, here we go into Friday as well. Here's late Friday. Again, scattered showers and thunderstorms. Still a little bit below normal temperature-wise right through the day on Friday. Again, lots of clouds around the next few days. Then as we go into the weekend, yet again, some scattered showers and thunderstorms certainly cannot be ruled out, but will start to turn warmer. This thickness line here, 576 thickness, kind of expanding to the north, indicative of warmer conditions by Sunday afternoon. Very well could be pushing 90 degrees in the I-95 corridor from D.C. to Philadelphia to New York City. In fact, D.C. very likely into the lower 90s by Sunday. Cannot completely rule out a shower or thunderstorm. Here's that thickness again, way up to the north here compared to the next couple of days. And again, it looks like we'll have a continuation of pretty hot weather by the time we get to the early part of the next work week, with 90 plus degrees likely on Monday afternoon as well. So the next few days remain slightly cooler than normal for the middle part of August, but then by Sunday and Monday of next week we'll get back to 90 plus degrees, at least in the urban areas of the I-95 corridor from D.C. to New York City. So again, scattered showers and thunderstorms for the next few days as the unsettled weather pattern continues here in the Mid-Atlantic region, really for much of the eastern half of the nation. That's it for now. For PerspectaWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Orion.